In today's video, I'm going to show you how to record audio in Google Slides. Adding audio can make your presentations more dynamic and personal, allowing you to explain your points clearly and engage your audience. First, open Google Slides in your web browser and select the presentation you want to work on. You can also start a new presentation if you prefer a fresh slide deck. Google Slides doesn't have a built-in audio recorder, so we'll use a Chrome extension called Chrome Audio Capture to make this process easy. Search for Chrome Audio Capture in the Chrome Web Store, click Add to Chrome, and confirm the installation. After that, you'll see a small icon appear in the top right corner of your browser next to your other extensions. Now go back to your presentation and pick the slide where you want to add audio. Make sure your microphone is working if you're recording your own voice. Click on the Chrome Audio Capture icon, choose whether to record the full tab or just a portion, and hit Start. Then, speak naturally, explaining your points as you would during a live presentation. Once you're done recording, click Stop and save the audio file to your computer. Next, upload this file to Google Drive because Google Slides only allows inserting audio from Drive. Finally, return to Google Slides, click on Insert in the top menu, choose Audio, and select your file from Drive. Once inserted, you can move the audio icon to a convenient spot on your slide, resize it if needed, and choose playback options like automatically playing when the slide opens or playing on click. And that's it. With these steps, your slides now have custom audio, which can make online classes, business presentations, or shared slides much more engaging and professional. Take some time to practice and experiment with your recordings to get the timing and tone just right. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.